There's a joy that fills my spirit deep inside, a peace that I cannot hide. When I think about His grace so strong, He's been holding me all along. I remember when I almost let go, but His love pulled me close. Now every breath I take, I know I've got a Savior who won't let me go. So I